Here I'm going to show you how to remove text from a picture using Hypic Best AI photo editor. Now to remove text from a picture, now here select the picture you want to remove the text from by clicking on this view all, then select the picture by clicking on it. Now here inside the Hypic editing platform, now slide till you reach this eraser here. Now click on remover. Now click on this magic remover, but in order to use this magic remover you must sign in with your TikTok account. Now to use it, now click on this magic remover. Here color the text by clicking on it like this, you see it. And also you can reduce the size of the color by sliding it down, or use this select icon in order to scale it, you see it. But here I will use this way because it is easier for me to use it. Now here reduce the width size by dragging this size toggle down. Now paint all the text. Now after painting all the text, what you will do is just click on this magic remover here on the down section. Here click on it and then wait for it to remove. As you can see, it is removing it. As you can see, it have removed it. You see it. You see it have removed the text. Now what you will do in order to save it, just click on this save icon here, this good icon on the down section here. Just click on it. As you can see, I have saved it. Now I can add text again on it. You see it, it's removed it perfectly. So if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe and click on the bell icon for more tech tutorial. And also if you have any question, leave it at the comment section. I will do so to reply you. Watch this video on the screen in order to know how to use this best AI photo editor. Thank you once again. See you on the next video. Peace.